Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share with you my sari collection. These are the lightweight party wear saris. In next video, I'll share with you heavy saris for bigger functions. I'll show you the detailed sari and probably attach a picture of me wearing it. The first sari is a Banarsi sari in combination of maroon and yellow. You can see the blouse. It has cups attached and hook at the back. For shape and fitting, it gives triangle shape at the back. I wore the sari for my haldi function. It is very beautiful with zari work and the combination looks really very beautiful. You can see the sleeves with zari work on it. So let's quickly see the sari. The sari is in yellow color with buta all over. And the border is of maroon and golden color. There is golden detailing and it is very smooth, very soft material. The pallu is also of maroon and golden work. I'll attach the picture of me wearing it. It looks very beautiful. I teamed it with handmade jewelries. This is the pallu. So the next sari is in beige color. You can see the blouse with detailings on it. I did not customize the blouse. The blouse came with the sari. It is a ready-made sari. You can see the detailings. The blouse came with the sari. It is XL size. I had to get it altered to my size. This is the sleeves. It comes till the elbow. The sleeves has thread work on it. This is the sari. The pleats are already made. It is a ready to wear sari. The pallu is also made. There is a detailing of beads in the pallu. As you can see, golden beads. The material is stretchable. Frills are attached to the pallu. Once I wear and show it to you, you'll get to know how the sari actually looks. The material is very soft and it holds the body properly. It gives a proper shape to the body. So the third sari is in yellow and maroon. This is the blouse, brocade blouse with short hands. You can see the detailings with golden work on it. It is a simple blouse with latkan. This is the sari. This is the pallu part. The pallu is in yellow and the entire body is in maroon with golden detailings in it. This is the border. It looks very beautiful. This is the chiffon sari. This is the pallu and this is the body. The entire body is maroon with golden detailings on it. For this sari as well, I'll attach the picture of me wearing it. The fourth sari is in green and black color. This is the blouse. This is the back part of the blouse with small sleeves. You can see the detailing. I've attached latkan to it. With short sleeves, net sleeves. The sari looks really beautiful. It is georgette. This is the border. The border has work on it with black beads at the bottom. The pallu has a little bit of work. As you can see, the sari is completely plain. This is the border. You will find work only in the border. I wore the sari for my 2nd month anniversary. It is a copy of Manish Malhotra design. You can see the back. It looks very beautiful once you wear it. The sleeves are till the elbow. Got latkans at the back. All sequins work on the sleeves. It looks very beautiful, very elegant once you wear it. The shimmery part is only for the pallu. And the sari is completely plain. The material of the sari is chinon. It is very soft and it looks really very elegant. I wore this for a cocktail party. I'll attach the picture. The last sari is of my mother-in-law's. This is a blouse. I got it customized. This sari is around 15 years old. The sari was gifted by my father-in-law to my mother-in-law. The blouse was of my mother-in-law's size, so I got my blouse customized. This is in pink color. It is plain pink. You can see patches as it is very old sari. This is the pallu. There is a work done only on the pallu. This is the border of the sari. It is completely plain. It looks really beautiful once you wear it. This is the entire sari. The entire sari is with the border. You can see. This is the pallu once again. So this is it for this video. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel if you like it. And I'll come with another sari part 2.